Taking a video.
No, I need to take a picture.
What if I want to take a video?
I need to take a picture.
There's Tristan.
I need white. I need white. Guys.
What are you trying to do? Oh, you're covering the light?
Yeah. My finger's orange.
Your finger's orange?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
It's red. My finger's
What
red.
color eyes do you have?
Black.
Look. What color eyes do you have? You guys are gross. Give Sissy a kiss. Oh, Alex. Don't stand on me, please. Ew! Alright, you guys. That's enough.
Hi, Mommy.
What's Caleb doing?
Ow! Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look, you can't just bounce into my room like that. You gotta knock, you gotta communicate.
Wow, 2 times.
Alex is less graceful than Tristan.